box in a box. It's like a do-over. I gotta cut it again. I'll cut you. Let's see what kind of prettiness we got in here. Ooh, orange. People ask, why the heck did you get a plasma cutter? I can't resist if it's $200. $237 or $238. So many times I needed to cut stuff. Ooh, it's nice and light. Nice and light. Okay, box and box. Okay, edit that out. Okay, here's their basic. Here's the welder. Here's the cutter itself, plasma cutter. Just rip it off. Boy, that is tiny. Based on the box, I expected it to be a lot bigger, but it's just a little thing. I'm going to be testing it at 110 because I don't have the, I got to run a compressor off that, so let's see what we got here. Input air, there's the air. That's for the, you give you a little wrench. We'll see. Cardboard. There's my, let me back up a bit. Yeah, just disorganized a little bit of stuff. Hung some stuff on the pegboard. There's my workbench. There's a saw that I have to fix. The one in the middle there, behind the grinder. Packing materials. Get rid of that. Operation manual. I guess I'll be reading that. Ooh, look at all those hose clamps. Woohoo! What do we got here? Oh, there's a regulator. There's a bracket. So here's all that. Hose. It's the ground clamp. 220, 230, 250, whatever it takes. I don't have to actually have the right plug. I'm just going to have to make up my own for that. Oh, look at that. Look at this. I can put this in my welder. There's the, don't break anything out. I'm going to have to buy some consumables for this. They don't give you much. Okay, we'll get with putting the thing on. Okay, I got the back end hooked up according to construction. You got more hose than you need. I had to cut this much off this, and I don't know what all this is, but if you look at the drawings, everything's relatively short, so pretty certain I got it hooked up right. This I took off another tool, but now I seen a YouTube video where they didn't have this. It was just a barbed fitting for this side, which is ridiculous. And now I see they updated it. They include it. So I didn't need to take that off a broken tool I had. And they are consumables. They have some tips here. That they do have consumables, which is good. This, I don't know where that goes yet. There's that. Maybe a wrench that doesn't fit nothing. I don't know what that's for. Oh, it's probably for the consumables. and be back in a moment. So the toys hooked up. You can hear the plasma detector going off upstairs. Kind of cracking. And I had to make another cord for it to go to my 230 volt. Just took it off the 120. Not enough capacity here, so I'm going to get the pressure downstairs in my shed. The little inflow I had, I can use that and get 230 volt. So I put the pressure down here, I can use it more. And that's it. Noisy down here. But it works. Probably another one. You can weld this up back together. Had it. It's a lot better than a Sawzall, I can tell you. Warfox. Hey, who are you talking to down there? Who's that? I have to tell when I take videos, I gotta remind it that I'm talking to myself. So I'm still in the progress of re-disorganizing. There's that plasma detector going off upstairs. Well, I'm gradually putting stuff back on the board. It ain't exactly where I want it all yet, but as tools come out of the toolboxes, I gotta put a label maker, label the drawers on that, because that's not where I want it. It's where I want it, but inside it's a disorganized mess. That's where the Warfox is going to go, with a little emblem inside. That's what I have to use instead of that, because that draws the same voltage as this, so I can't use both. But it seems to that's all capacity I really need for this. And that's it. Practicing on my salvaged bed frame angle. It's hard and steel, so it's a little tougher. But that's it. It's pretty much where I want it right now. The cable saw hung up underneath there, the old one. I gotta make this cord up for the welder. Gotta make that up for the plasma cord. That. That's it.